Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to connect wireless mouse on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just tap on Bluetooth. Now from here, make sure you enable Bluetooth. Now from here, you can connect your smartphone with any Bluetooth mouse. Now in our case, I am using this Bluetooth mouse. Now some Bluetooth mouse have a pairing button. Now this mouse does not have a pairing button, but there is a Bluetooth mode. Just enable Bluetooth mode. Now once you enable the Bluetooth mode, your smartphone will detect the name of the Bluetooth. Just tap on refresh. Now as you can see, it detected the name of our Bluetooth mouse. Just tap on it. Now from here, tap on pair. Now as you can see, this is how you can connect wireless mouse on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.